Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see top 5 test cases, integration test cases between MM and FIC. I have created it, creation and execution I will show it. Now let's go to the test case. This is a test case I have created it now. Now the first test case ID, SAP MM -01 is my test case ID and the priority is high, severity is high to check whether material master is created with a valuation class ZZZZ. And test steps is log in with the SAP system with valid user ID and password, transaction code MM01, select industry type mechanical engineering, material type raw material, CCC is my material type. And the valuation class should be automatically displayed in the accounting tab and the user should be able to create the material. It's the expected result. And the data is this. Plant is KM08, storage location is KM08. Let me create it and let me check it. Let's go to the system. This is my system. MM01. Go to MM01. See here, mechanical engineering and material type CCC. Present. Let me unselect this. Raw material, it is a raw material, not a sales one, not a finished goods. Press enter. KM08, plant KM08, storage location. Press enter. Let me enter the description. Let me enter the material group. Each base unit of measure, each. Enter. MRP type, no MRP. Now press enter. Enter. See here, it has got displayed CCC. It has got displayed and this is the material number. Let me take this material number. It is all automatically created. Actual result, material has been created. I have to enter material has been created and valuation class be displayed 01. Press enter and save and save. Save. Now, status is pass. Now, the second test case is, I'm going to execute the second test case. To check whether user is able to create purchase order with the material created in test step SAP MM 01. Let me go and create it. Create the purchase order. This is the purchase order. The step is this. And the expected result should be user should be able to create the purchase order. Let me create a purchase order now with the same with the material /n ME21N /n ME21N. Enter the supplier. This is my supplier. Enter purchase organization, purchasing group. Enter the material. This is the material which I have created it now. Enter the quantity, 10 quantity. Net price 1500 USD. Enter plant KM01. Storage location KM01. Net price 1500. Storage location KM08. And save it. Save. Purchase order should be should be able to create a purchase order. So should be able to create a purchase order. 4500007890 is my purchase order. Now, third test case. This is also pass. This is also pass. Pass. Third test case. Let's go to the third test case. Should be able to create a goods receipt. Should be able to do goods receipt with the created purchase order. Here, let's go and MIGO transaction. So it's MIGO transaction code. Expected result should be able to create the goods receipt and the material document number should be displayed. Now let's go to MIGO. Let's go to /n MIG. Let me enter goods receipt, purchase order. Purchase order. Enter the purchase order number here. Select item OK and post. Let me post this. Be able to post it. And third test case is also pass. This is also pass. Actual result PASS. Now, Fourth test case should be able to do goods return, supplier returns or vendor returns. Let me do goods returns. Select return delivery. Enter the material document number. That is what I have entered it here. Select the goods return, material document number, select material, enter the material document number. Reasons for movement. Select reasons for movement. Item okay, and should be able to do supplier returns. Let's go and press enter. Now scroll down. See reasons for movement. Select the reasons for movement. Poor quality. Item okay and post. Should be able to do goods return. See it. Now this also pass. Now fifth one should be able to post the stock without purchase order. User should be able to post the stock without purchase order. Now go to CN, enter goods receipt and other. Select goods receipt and other. Select goods receipt and other. Select other. Go to material, enter the material number, quantity and post it. Select material. This is my material which I have created it now. Select the material. Enter quantity, 10 quantity. Where plant KM08, storage location KM08 and save. Control S save or click on to posting. So this is also pass. This is also pass. Final test case is also pass. Now, people may be asking me, where is the integration between FICO and MM here? So the integration between FICO and MM is whenever there is any goods movement happen in SAP, a financial document is getting created. So that is the integration. If the financial document is not getting generated, if it is not integrated with FICO, you will not be able to do goods receipt or goods issue. That is what it is. Now let's show you where the integration is all about. Go to display, material document, press enter. This is my material document, returns document. Go to document info, see here FI document. Whenever there is any goods movement happens, FI document gets created. See here, when I click on to FI document, accounting document gets created. If the integration is not there, this accounting document will not be created. You will not get created. And when the accounting document is not getting created, you will not be able to do goods issue or goods receipt here. That is the integration point. That is the integration between SAP MM and FICO. That is the test case. That is why the test case I have created. Thank you.